This animation was written by a 35 billion parameter model where only 3 billion fire per token, 1 prompt, 0 edits. It is called Nex-N2-mini. It just went open source, and today I'm renting one A100 and running a full app generation gauntlet on it. Nex-N2 is a new agent model family from Nex-AGI, built for coding tool use, deep research, and long horizon tasks. 2 sizes. The Pro is a 397 billion parameter mixture of experts. The Mini, today's star, is 35 billion total, 3 billion active, built on Qwen 3.5. The headline feature is Agentic Thinking. The model decides on its own when to think and how deeply. Simple question, instant answer, critical decision, long careful reasoning. We will see both today, and we will also see this feature bite back. On paper, the Mini punches hard. 50.2 on SWE Bench Pro, 60.7 on Terminal Bench, 82.6 on GPT-Q8 Diamond. And the Big Brother Pro actually edges out GPT-5.5 on SWE Bench Pro. Bold claims. Let's verify what we can. Here is the honest setup. One A100 with 80 gigs of VRAM on RunPod, about $1.50 an hour. SSH in update the box, install Ollama. The official release wants 2 H100s and a custom SG-Lang fork. We are doing it the budget way instead. A community, Q8 GGUF Quant, 37 gigabytes, pulled straight from Hugging Face at 290 megabytes per second, 2 minutes, 16 seconds, watch it fly. Then a handwritten model file, the real chat template in ChatML style, plus the sampling settings from the model card, Ollama Create, and the 37 gig blob imports. And look at this, Ollama recognizes the Qwen 3.5 MOE architecture, 262,000 tokens of native context, and registers thinking and tools all on its own, 100% on the GPU. We are in business. First task, creative code. 1 prompt asking for a glowing fractal tree growing branch by branch with ember particles. A single HTML file, no libraries. Here is the honest part. Its first attempt thought itself to death. 105,000 characters of reasoning that blew the entire context window before the code even finished. Second run with a bigger context. It still thought for 92,000 characters, but it shipped. And what it shipped runs. Every frame here is that exact file, untouched. Now the real claim, full app generation. I asked for PulseBoard, a finance dashboard, donut chart, bar chart with tooltips, count up stat cards, and a live transactions table. Vanilla JavaScript only. It wrote 68 kilobytes of code in one shot, 22,000 tokens, and the design is genuinely clean canvas charts, glassmorphic panels, no framework. And watch this, add a transaction and every chart and every stat recalculates live. 466 plus 3648 is 50261. The wiring is real. Was it flawless? No. The dashboard shipped exactly one bug, a missing element lookup that blanked the charts. So I did the agentic thing. I pasted the error straight back into the model. It diagnosed its own mistake instantly from nothing but the error message and handed me a one-line fix. Across this whole video, the model shipped 5 bugs and fixed all 5 itself. Game dev claim next a neon breakout with particle explosions, motion trails, and a built-in demo AI on a paddle. This one took 3 repair rounds, all the same bug class, calls to helpers it never wrote, but after those rounds, this is it running. The AI plays itself, bricks explode, levels speed up. Remember adaptive thinking? Here's the receipt. Capital of Japan, 68 characters of thought, a 3-person logic puzzle, 1,000 characters of careful reasoning. It budgets its own brain. Tool calling, I handed one function get GPU price and ask what an A100 costs on RunPod. Clean structured callout, real price back in, grounded answer, $1.52 an hour, full agent loop, no glue code drama. Trick question time. I asked it to summarize a study that does not exist. It refused to make one up, flagged the paper as not credible, and explained the real physics instead. That is rare and that is valuable. Then a hard algorithm, binary lifting on a weighted tree with max edge queries. I ran its code against brute force on real test cases. 5 out of 5 correct. And 100,000 queries answered in 1.16 seconds. I also wrapped it in a small Gradio app talking straight to the pod so you can watch the thinking stream live. Average across every single call today, 101 tokens per second on 1A100. So, the honest scorecard, pros, real one-shot app generation, adaptive thinking that probably adapts. It debugs its own code from raw error messages, native tool support, Apache 2 license, and a 262K context. Cons: 37 gigs even at Q8. This is not laptop hardware. The thinking can spiral on creative coding, and one run died to it. Game code needed 3 repair rounds. And this GGUF is a community quant, not an official release. Verdict: for an open weights model that activates just 3 billion parameters per token, this is the most convincing budget agent model I have tested this year. Rent a GPU for an afternoon and try it. Every command, the model file, and all the test prompts are in the description. If this saved you a rental hour, a subscribe helps more than you think. See you in the next one.